Hello and welcome to the short video highlighting the accessories specifically designed for the Kupo Tethermate aluminum platforms. These accessories expanded Tethermate's functionality from a simple platform into a mobile workstation. Instead of using valuable real estate on top of the platform, these accessories mount either to the side or underneath the platform. We'll start with the hard drive holder. To mount, simply remove the thumb screw. Slide the U-shaped plate into one of the channels in either of the 3 aluminum plates mounted to the bottom of the platform. The lightweight aluminum tunnel design helps airflow to keep your drives cool. There is also a strap included to help secure your hard drives to the holder. The holder is 3.1 inches high and 4.1 inches wide. Now that we have our hard drives safe and sound, what can we do about our mouse? Not that kind of mouse, silly. This kind of mouse. The 6x6-inch mouse side table is made from lightweight aluminum and comes with a durable polyester mouse pad. The mouse pad features a rubberized, non-slip base to prevent it from sliding and is available separately as a replacement or as a gift for that hard-to-shop-for grip in your life. Slide the mounting plate that extends off the side table into one of the channels. Secure in place with a small silver thumb screw. Man, the sun is bright today. It makes it hard to see the screen. Let's install a sunshade over a laptop so we can eliminate glare and reflections from our screen. First, we'll open our foldable aluminum frame that's pre-installed within the shade. Next, we'll mount the shade to the platform to create an enclosure by inserting the thumb screws on the bottom of each vertical post through the keyhole-shaped openings in the platform. Once the thumb screws are through the round holes, slide them to the right and turn the thumb screws clockwise to secure in place. Notice the difference before and after the shade, how much easier it is to see the screen. The sunshade has the inner dimensions of 16.5 inches wide, 9.8 inches deep, and 9.4 inches high. The shade extends forward to drape over your head to prevent light from entering for when it's really bright. Velcro strips store the extra material when folded back on top of the enclosure. The sunshade folds down nicely for easy transportation and storage. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.